Hi, seventh graders. How are we doing today? It's Mr. Aberly, and I am here to give you some instructions on today's activity about Kami. And just a quick little recap. Remember, as we're using our grid, we're just going to click on the activity after we've watched the video, and that should take you to this PDF. Now, while we're doing our distance learning, it's going to be very important for us to do some marking of the text, and Kami is a perfect way to do some marking of the text and get that information back to the teacher and to be able to share with your classmates. The first step we're going to do is we're going to open with Kami here, annotate with Kami. It might ask you to sign in with your Google account, so please make sure you're signed in with your Robbinsdale Google account, and that should work just fine. From there, you're going to get 5 questions that you're going to be working on today. The purpose of this assignment is just to practice marking up a PDF. So we're going to go to our markup. You can do drawing. Have you used Kami before? You're going to circle yes if you have and no if you have not. Kami can be used to draw. So we're going to draw our star here using the drawing tools. Kami can be used to highlight which is true for you. So here's where we go to the markup, and you can pick one of the different highlighters and colors. We have our question 4. You can type in Kami using the text box. Insert a text box and type in your answer. So here's our text box. You'll just simply enter it. You can make it a little bit bigger. We have our different fonts and sizes up here. And then after that, one nice thing is Kami will get you definitions. So we want you to look up the word transcend, and you just type that right up here in the dictionary, and then you can click copy and paste that right down here. We're not going to have you submit the assignment. Just when you have finished, you're going to go back to your board. Remember, take the completed, slide it over to your activity board, and you can move on to the next assignment. Remember, if you have any questions about Kami, please reach out to me or Miss Curley during class time or on Wednesdays during our office hours. Thanks and have a great day.